Let's talk about the Shining Star Future Engineers Robotics program.
You've probably wondered, beyond all the fun, what is your child really learning in their STEM class?
Here's the problem with most classes. They create interest, sure, but often there's no real progression.
See, fun learning is where they usually stop. But as a parent, you need more. You need proof.
So, welcome to something different. A truly structured engineering journey. We call it an outcome-driven pathway. It's a journey with proof, real progression, and a clear purpose. And what does that pathway look like? Well, it's broken down into 4 very distinct stages.
So, instead of just random activities, your child gets a structured journey with real, recognized certifications.
And of course, the learning is matched to their maturity. What they focus on grows right along with them.
And get this, no written exams. Progress is all about real, hands-on engineering evidence.
They're building way more than just robots here. They're actually building skills for life.
We're talking tangible skills like engineering logic, systems integration, and strategic thinking.
But it's also about the mindset, right? Planning before you build, testing before you trust.
It's the huge shift from asking, "What should I do?" to saying, "I know how to figure this out."
And you get proof. Every single term produces visible, verifiable results. No guesswork involved.
So what does that look like? Working models, performance scorecards, and a complete engineering portfolio.
This is a journey of certified progression. Your child earns a real certificate at every single stage. So, if you're a parent who wants structure, certification, and real validation, this program is for you.
Honestly, this isn't just another hobby. It's a real investment in their future engineering readiness.
Ready for the next step? You can book a session to find your child's perfect entry stage and pathway.